In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up Etsy payments in a simple and practical way. First, understand this. Etsy payments allows you to accept multiple payment methods like credit cards, PayPal, Apple Pay, and Google Pay, making it easier for customers to buy from your shop. Now, if you want to set up Etsy payments, here's what to do. Start by going to the Etsy website or app and logging into your account. Next, open your shop manager from the top menu. After that, go to Finances and select Payment Settings. Then, click on Set up Payments to begin the process. Now, enter your business details, including your name, address, and other required information. After that, add your bank account details where you want to receive your payouts. Then, complete the identity verification process. Etsy may ask you to upload documents or confirm your identity for security purposes. Next, review all your information carefully and submit your setup. After that, wait for approval. Once approved, you'll be able to start receiving payments directly to your bank account. Keep in mind that all details must be accurate and match your legal and banking information to avoid delays. Also, double-check your payout schedule settings to control how often you receive your deposits. That's it. By setting up Etsy payments, you can accept multiple payment options and grow your shop more efficiently.